Are you sick and tired of struggling to make a consistent income online? If so, listen up, because what you see today could change your life forever. We've developed a software that has enabled us to make consistent $1,000 plus commission days from multiple streams of income from one dashboard in as little as 10 minutes. And we're offering you the opportunity to grab your copy today. Introducing the Auto Commission Suite, an automated hands-free software which allows you to profit as an affiliate on ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and multiple other online marketplaces, using various secret done-for-you traffic sources to get staggering results. Here's how it works. Step number 1, purchase. Grab your copy before the price increases. Step number 2, activate. Log in, configure some basic settings, and enter your affiliate links. Step number 3, profit access. Do it now before the price increases, and we'll see you on the inside.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based product, info products, and training courses that generally help you elevate your business to the next level. Today I have another review for you, and it's on a product called Auto Commission Suite, and this one is going live on the 19th of March 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. New York time, and that's EST, Eastern Standard Time, and it's being put out there by Iron Ross, and it's a product that is going to actually help you make commissions online, and it has this autopilot traffic and sales, and it has basically a lot of things you need to actually begin to make money online. And here are the amazing bonuses that I have for you, which is going to be actually there for you when you eventually decide to pick up this very product using the first link below on my description area. It is a product that explains itself, which I believe you will have access to when eventually you make up your mind on this one. Now let me show you exactly what the prices for this one is. The front end price goes for $17, and of course it's going to give you access to these amazing bonuses that I have for you, even if you don't buy any of the upgrades or OTOs. Now OTO number 1 will be $39, but I think it has a downsell of $29. OTO number 2, meanwhile OTO number 1 is the unlimited version of the front end, which means it's advisable to buy because any shortfalls you have on the front end will be taken care of with this OTO number 1, which is the unlimited version of the front end. Now OTO number 2 will be Autopilot. It goes for $27 downsell. OTO number 3, 100% done for you, goes for $97. Everything is done for you basically, you don't lift any finger. And OTO number 4 will be licensed rights, and it goes for $197, which means you can make use of this product as if it's your own, give it out for as bonus, do anything you want with it, and make profits as much as you could, keeping the 100% profit to yourself. Now OTO number 4 will be Mega Bundle, which goes for $67. So you have everything you want in that. And here are the amazing benefits you have with this one: multiple automated traffic system, source with one click, multiple streams of autopilot income, complete integration with ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo, and much more, and 100% done for you commission dashboard. No experience is required, no skills is needed, no monthly fees, work for yourself in 2022 and works from everywhere in the world. And it has amazing 60-day money back guarantee, which means in 60 days, which is approximately 2 months, you have any reason or without any reason to return this, you can return it and have your refund 100%. Now that's about what you have here, and here are the amazing benefits, bonuses I have for you. Bonus number 1, bonus number 2, bonus number 3, bonus number 4, bonus number 5, which is all the vendor bonuses. So you have amazing bonuses from me that will definitely help you complement with Auto Commission Suite and be able to get your traction making money online. And with that said, if you use any of these links when you get here on my bonus page, because the first link on my description area will take you bring you actually to my bonus page, and when you use any of these links scattered all over this page, you will be able to have access to the product sales page, where you eventually get to pick up this product. And when you do, under your purchase history on my Warrior Plus account, you'll find a page that looks exactly like this with two buttons. This one gives you access to auto commission suite, and this one below gives you access to these amazing bonuses I have for you. That is if you decide to buy this product from me, and which I eventually encourage. With that said, we definitely need to wrap this one up. I don't want to waste our time much with this, and then of course it's left for you now to make up your mind. But remember, these bonuses that I have coined for you will have 4 days, 11 days before they expire. That means after this timeline goes down, there's likelihood that my bonuses will go down with it, and therefore I would want you to pick it up as soon as possible, as soon as it launches tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that's when these very buttons and clickable links will become active. With that said, we will definitely have to wrap up with this one. I will come back to you in my next review. Before I end it here, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and of course use the bell button to get notification. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys.